Hi, I'm Kelly Kay. We're talking flooring today at the huge warehouse of iCarpetTiles.com. I'm here with Stephanie. Stephanie, first of all, what are carpet tiles?
Carpet tiles are the perfect do-it-yourself flooring solution. They are an 18-inch by 18-inch or a 2-foot by 2-foot square, and they adhere to the floor using double-stick tape.
It sounds pretty easy, and there are a lot of different colors and patterns to choose from. Stephanie, I'm going into a bit of sensory overload here. There's a lot to choose from.
There is. In our warehouse here, we have over 1,500 colors and styles to select from in stock.
Now, if I didn't know better, I would say this is a really cool looking rug, but it's carpet tiles. Where exactly would I use carpet tiles?
There's endless uses for these carpet tiles. They're perfect for basements, family rooms, home offices, home theater rooms, garages, motorhomes, lake houses, dorms, boats, the list goes on.
What are some of the advantages of using carpet tiles versus other types of flooring?
You can do them yourself. They're very easy to install. You use a sharp utility knife and double stick tape. If one gets dirty, you pick it up and replace it.
That's my style.
You're not kidding.
Now, do iCarpet tiles work on all floor surfaces?
Yes, they do. You can install them over any smooth surface, concrete, hardwood, laminate, ceramic tile.
All right, now what kind of the cost are we talking about?
Our carpet tiles are as low as 99 cents to $1.99 a square foot, which is 80% less than our competition.
Stephanie, a lot of people are catching on to iCarpet tiles already.
Yes, they are. We have been featured in a Do-It-Yourself Network twice, and we have also been in Better Homes and Gardens.
All right, I'm ready. How do I place my order?
You may visit us on our website at iCarpetTiles.com or come by our warehouse. We're located at 3320 Gilmore Industrial Boulevard, which is 1 mile south of the Waterston Expressway off Poplar Level Road.
Easy enough. Give them a call, shop the website, or come by the warehouse today and get started on your iCarpetTiles.com floor. I'm Kelly Kay. Thanks for watching.